Most people don't lose their week on Wednesday. They lose it on Sunday. Sunday drifts. A little scrolling, a little stress about Monday. No clear direction. Then Monday starts and everything feels reactive. Messages. Decisions. Noise. You haven't chosen what matters yet, but you're already responding to everything else. That's why the week feels heavy. Not because you're lazy, not because you lack discipline, because you never reset. A Sunday reset changes the tone of the entire week. Not through intensity, through clarity. When you pause before the week begins, you lower the noise. You decide what matters. You remove uncertainty before it drains you. And that shift is powerful. Because direction saves energy. And energy is what most people are missing. First, reset your environment. Don't deep clean. Don't overthink it. Just clear the spaces that affect your week. Your desk, your bag, your kitchen counter. Remove visual clutter. Reset what you touch every day. When your space feels ordered, your mind follows. Small reset. Immediate impact. Second, choose 3 priorities. Not everything. Not a massive list. 3 things that move your life forward. Write them down. This removes hesitation before Monday even starts. When you wake up, there's no debate. No confusion. You already decided. That clarity saves hours of wasted energy. Now create momentum. Do one small action before Sunday ends. Send one email. Outline one task. Prepare Monday morning. Something simple. Because starting is the hardest part. And once you've started, continuing feels natural. Monday won't feel like a beginning. It'll feel like continuation. That's the difference. If you're building your Sunday reset system, comment Reset Sunday and watch the full series. Next, we'll build your daily 10-minute reset.